everyone! Welcome to another video. I'm sure you've already attended parties like mga debut, wedding receptions, or just plain parties sa mga houses ng mga friends nyo or relatives. So, marami na tayo na-attend ang parties. Pero, what if kayo naman yung mag-host ng party? What if kayo naman yung mag-serve, kayo naman yung mag-set up ng house nyo for a party? So, today, we will be discussing about basic table settings when you set up or host a party of your own. So, example, mag-host kayo ng party sa house. So, syempre, kailangan nakaayos din lahat ng mga settings nyo at home. I mean, the table settings. So, of course, the important thing to note first is what is the food that you will be serving. Kasi, of course, yung table setting mo will depend on what you will be serving. So, of course, let's start first with the basic table setting. I'm sure you already know this. So, this is just like a review of how you do your table settings. Okay, of course, the first thing we need is our placemat. So, there. And then, of course, our plate, which we will put in the middle of the placemat. And don't forget that the basic rule is that your plate should be at least 1 inch away from the edge of the table. So, ganyan. Of course, hindi naman to hard rule, but to browse on our etiquette. So, parang review lang to. Next is our napkin. You can put it on top of your plate or you can put it on the side, left side. So, it depends on how you like to do it. But in this case, I'll put it on the left side. And then, of course, your fork. You can put it on top of your table napkin. And then next is the knife. You'll put it on the right side of the plate. Don't forget that the sharp edge of the knife should be facing the plate. So, inner siya. And then your spoon, of course, after the knife. And also, another rule is they should be all aligned para maganda siyang tignan. And of course, we will not forget our coaster. It should be on top of the knife. And then our drinking glass. So there, that's the basic. Okay, so again, this is just the basic. If you will be serving soup, then you have to put your soup bowl and you can put it on top of your dinner plate. So it's like that. And if you will be serving salad, then you have to put, of course, a salad plate and your soup there on top. And you should also have your salad fork. There. Okay, so now if you will be serving bread, then of course you have to put your bread plate on the left side, upper left side. Then you can put this like this way or angle. Depends on anong gusto nyo. Pwede naman any. So, there. And for the coffee, if you'll be serving coffee, then you can move your drinking glass a bit to the left so you can put your coffee cup on the side. So, there. If you'll be serving dessert, then you can just serve the dessert plate and the dessert spoon together pag may dessert na. I mean, you don't have to put it on the table right away. So, anyway, so if ever, sabay na lang siya ilalabas when the dessert comes out. So, there. And then, if you will be serving wine, I'll take this out. If you'll be serving wine, you can move the glass a bit here. And then you can put your wine glass over there. So, disclaimer lang I'm not an expert in setting tables. Pero ito yung basic that I know and I've read about. So, yan siya. Actually, there are a lot of different ways to set up your table. Pero ito na yung one of the choices that you can use. So, that's it. Oh, wait, one more. Others use a plate charger. So this is a plate charger. So you can use this. Plate chargers are supposed to be under your dinner plate. There. So this is the plate charger. You can also use that. So there. That's it. So again, there are many ways to do it. So depende na lang talaga kung ano yung menu nyo that you will be serving. And then of course, kung ano yung gusto nyong style. Kasi there are different styles naman in setting your tables. This is just one example of how to set it up. And of course, you have to put some decorations on your table. Mga, what do you call this? Centerpieces, flowers. But make sure that don't make it too tall. Kasi hindi sila magkakakitaan. So yung guest mo, hindi magkakakitaan if it's too tall. So just right lang. Just imagine na pag nakaupo kayo, kita nyo pa rin yung the person across you. So that's it. Sometimes, when we attend parties, there are a lot of flatwares on the left and on the right. So, pag nakakita kayo na ganun, just don't get intimidated. So, you should just remember that you should always start from the outer. Tapos, papasok lang siya ng papasok. You should use first kung ano yung nasa dulo. Tapos, pa-move na ng pa-move inward. So, yun lang yun. So, don't get intimidated if you see a lot of flatwares on the left and on the right. So, that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. And again, I'm not an expert in table setting. So, ito lang talaga yung basic that I know and I've read about. And also, it will still depend on the menu that you'll be serving. And of course, the style that you like. So, depende pa rin sa inyo. So, this is just like a review. Please let me know if you have other topics that you'd like me to discuss or vlog next time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the notification bell below so you won't miss any of my videos. Shall I open this? Cheers! Bye!